Hey friends, if you wish to improve and boost laptop speaker volume in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, in most of the cases laptop speakers even till date are not the best form of speakers. You can try external speakers if you want really good volume, really good sound, but if you want some improvements with the sound itself, then here's what you can do. First of all, click on the system tray and then the volume mixer. Scroll down and make sure that all of these volumes are at the top level, and then you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and update all the audio drivers. Okay, so this is one part, but I'll tell you the real thing. Simply search for store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for VLC and hit enter, and then click on VLC and then install it from here. So this software allows you to boost the volume beyond a certain level. You can even boost it to 200%, but you should not do that because it may spoil the internal speakers of your laptop. But this is how you can boost the laptop speaker volume. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.